Hello, good day everyone. For today's update, I work on with the fixes of the issue that I encountered yesterday, particularly with the asynchronous for multiple camera. Now I have the 10 cameras that I added. They have all the same IP addresses and may tapo camera only supports two concurrent stream at the same time. However, this is working properly now with multiple cameras, but I still need to check it on with multiple stream that I can use. I'll be trying to find another camera link that is available online that I can use for testing RTSP implementation. Also, I noticed that there are some delays with the RTSP that I need to verify if this is just on my network. For example, a motorcycle already crossed this line few seconds ago, and as you can see here on the time, it's still 8:29 and the seconds is not moving properly. So I need to check whether this is something related with the image processing that we are running on the background, or this is from the network that I am accessing to. And as you can see here, we added the motion detection on and off, but I think I will be moving this on the settings, or I will be moving this upon installation for the detection of motion, and I will be creating the toggle for motion detection for each individual camera, since I think it will be helpful for the client to have the toggle for each camera module to have it identify motion, because there are some camera that needs a motion detection while some of the camera does not need it. And I will be implementing as well a pagination for second pages and so on, since I noticed that there are camera here that it will not going to fit anymore here on the screen. So additional update for today that I work on is that I am currently working on supporting the GPU of the current machine, because right now the Ultralytics or the YOLO library and other items that we are using are mainly focused on the CPU. So what I want to do is to have this also support GPU if available, and use GPU to make sure that our application will run without any problems. Other things that I work on today are more on the UI enhancement for the detection history, and also for the dashboard. I will be continuing and starting it now. I think this is all for my end for today. Thank you.